Today is Mini Excavator Maintenance Day, so stay tuned. I'm working hard on the water storage project, but I had to take some time to change the hitch for the trailer before it was time to take it to an inspection. Next up was the 50-hour maintenance of the Yanmar VIO12. I had a Yanmar technician on site that looked over the entire machine. This is required for the guarantee to be valid. We started by emptying the oil from the tracks. I don't know what the part is called in English, but I guess some of you know it and can write it down in the comments. Next up was changing the hydraulic oil filter. To get to it, you have to remove the right side panel of the excavator. Then we remove the filter and use some oil on the new filter. A tip: don't pull the filter harder than with hand power. During the time we did all of this, the engine oil was draining. When the oil was empty in the tracks, we screwed in the lower one of the plugs, the draining plug. Next up was the engine oil filter. We used some oilcloth so that the oil wouldn't spill all over the place. We also put some oil on the new filter before screwing it into place. After that, we fill the oil in the tracks. It's a small hole and it takes some time to fill it, but it's only 0.2 liters in each of them. The plug was tightened and we moved on. Now it was time to top off the hydraulic oil. We lost some when we changed the filter. The level is looking good. Time to put the plug for the engine oil back with a new gasket. Then we filled the engine with oil. We checked the engine oil level and it was good. We started the machine before, but I didn't get that on video. The last step was to grease the outer collar. I believe it's called that. And I also took the time to grease all the places that had grease nipples. I didn't get any video of that, sorry for that. The outer collar should be greased every 50 hours and other places every 8 hours. And that's it. That is how you do the first 50-hour maintenance on a Yanmar VIO12 excavator. Don't forget to share this video on social media with your friends if you like the channel. Have an amazing week, and I will see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.